guys? So today video is gonna be a mukbang. I'm having Wingstop, baby. I'm so hungry. Their fries is okay, but I really like their wings. So the sauce that I have for my wings is the hot honey rub, and I use the ranch with it. It be tasting so good. I'm in the front room right now, but yep. So how's y'all day going? I don't know if I want to do a vlog or just make a video of it, which I'm going to the Beyonce concert. So mine's is not until all the way in September. But I was thinking either make a video and just adding clips inside the video, or having a whole vlog, because I'm traveling to Texas for it. But we'll see. Either or, doesn't matter to me. That's good. But and my birthday is coming up in about 3 weeks. 3 weeks, yeah. About 3 weeks. I'm going to go out for dinner with my family. I'm either going to vlog, of course, or just add clips into like a video I'm going to be doing. But how's everybody? Have y'all seen the new Scream movie? I have, when it came out, like a week after it came out. I actually liked it better than the fifth one. It was very spoiler alert, if you haven't seen the Scream 6 movie, which I'm pretty sure everybody has so far, it was very shocking when they first revealed the killer, but he wasn't the actual killer in the movie because they killed him off. But I was so confused. I was like, what? They usually don't, show us the killer until the end of the movie. So that's why I think I liked it better, because it was something different for the audience. Very different. But yeah, I'm excited to go see Beyonce, because I've been seeing clips on TikTok and stuff like that. I love her. And this will be my first Beyonce concert that I ever went to, because now I got the money for it. But I'm ready for it. Even if I'm sitting all the way in the back, I don't care. At least I'm there. I'm enjoying it. Because if I was going by myself, yeah, I'll be in the front row. But kind of don't want to be in the front row because people be pushing people. And I never went to a concert before. This would be my first concert. And I don't want to get pushed. And I don't like big crowds of people, but we'll see. Because I'm not going by myself. I'm going with my cousin and I'm going with my sister. So And some people are thinking that this is going to be her last tour. Me, I believe it might be, but then again, it might not be, because you never know with Beyonce. But then again, I would say I don't think she would just stop giving us tours and music unless she says something to the Beehive, of course, because I don't think she would just leave us in the dark like that, you know. But yeah, I'm excited to go have a good time and just party. This is so good. I've been thinking about what videos I want to do. So far, a lot of my videos, the views that I have on my videos, they really like the true crime and of course the mukbang, and I want to do more of those too. Maybe even combine it together. But the true crimes, you have to really dig into that stuff if you want to get detailed and stuff. But we'll see. But yeah, I do want to go see the new Mermaid. Is it Mermaid or Ariel? I think it's Ariel. Ariel or Mermaid. The Mermaid movie with Holly in it. I do want to go see it, so. Also, I got a new tattoo. I just didn't vlog it like I said I would, but I do. It's on my back. It says everything happens for a reason, and it's right up here on my shoulder. It was like, it hurted, and then 1 second it didn't. It was like going back and forth. Like when you started, it didn't hurt, but then after a while of doing it, I would say like 10 seconds, it started hurting, and then it'll stop and start and stop and start, so it would go back and forth. And I kind of forgot how a tattoo felt because it's been so long since I got one. I got a lot of stuff going on. Next time I get a tattoo, I'm definitely going to be vlogging it. But no. And then next year, next year, I'm also going to be vlogging my trip back to Florida. I don't know when, but my friend is getting married. I'm so happy for her, and her wedding is not until next year, so I will be vlogging that portion of my trip down there. I'm very happy for her, very. And I'm a bridesmaid. I was so happy when she asked me to be a bridesmaid. I was so freaking happy. But that's more, I'll tell you more details about that once I've started packing and everything like that, but I can't wait. Sorry, I haven't been doing videos and stuff like that. Been busy. And also I'll be tired because I work at night, so I'll be tired. And then also try to get do my hair and stuff. Reminds me, my birthday is coming up in about a couple of weeks, so I am gonna get a wig. I already did a how do I put my wigs on. I don't really follow other people's, you know, steps, but they wig on. I just did it myself because it's cheaper and I like how I do it myself. So it's a video on here that I show how I put my wigs on if you want to check that out. But it's out of 3 wigs that I want. It's a green one. I'll put it up here in the corner. It's a green one, a red one, and a pink one. I just don't know which one I want for my birthday. And I kind of want to wear all 3. Not for my birthday, but like, you know, space them out. So I might just do that. But for my birthday, I'm thinking about going with the green because I have not worn green at all. Like, the only colors I have worn is red, blue, and I think orange. And that's like the only colors I ever wore on my head. So we'll see about that. But for my birthday, I'm going to be going out to dinner with my friends. Well, not my friends, my family. We're going to hibachi, and I'm excited. Really, really excited. I know in my previous videos I said I was going to be doing like a big Airbnb for my birthday, but plans change, things change. So I just decided just to do something minor and something with my family. And plus they never went to hibachi, so I feel like this will be perfect for them. So this sauce is good. I thought they were gonna put more sauce on these wings more, like they usually do every time when I order, but it's all right. And they fries, it's okay, you know, but I forgot to take a thumbnail. Eventually, I'll take a thumbnail. I'll probably take it with the bag or something, you know. Wingstop, I'm not sponsored, but you know, with the bag or something. Or with the food. I only ate about, I ate about 4 wings. This chicken is so good. Look at that. And don't mind my nails. Right? I work and I shouldn't even got the long nails, but I did. They were like long, they were like about this long. And 3 of my nails broke off during my job. And I don't like walking around with just half broken nails and half not. It kind of bothers me. So once my nails are broke, or even just one nail, I just clip the rest of them off and make them look short, even all the way around. But how are y'all? everybody who watched my videos, y'all probably don't like them, and that's why you haven't subscribed or liked. That's fine. But make sure, I appreciate the 4 followers that I do have. We're gonna have fun just to 4 others if nobody else subscribed. But I really would hope everybody, you know, subscribe and everything else, because I do want to do a lot of other things. I am gonna go on vacation a lot, and doing different things. Like no vlogging, stuff like that. Maybe even doing reactions, but I have to do this whole technical stuff. You know, I gotta get used to doing this technical stuff. And I also do want to do a Q&A. So just a mini Q&A. So probably by 10 subscribers, hopefully 10 subscribers. If we can get to 10 subscribers, I will be doing a Q&A with just those 10 subscribers. That's fine with me. That have multiple questions, I can just do multiple questions. Y'all can go to my Instagram and DM me the questions, or I'll put a poll on Instagram and DM once I hit 10 subscribers. Then I'll do that and I'll let y'all know. But yeah, kind of done eating. Of course I gotta edit some stuff, but only have like 3 more wings right now, and I'm kind of getting full, which is shocking to me myself. But yeah, hopefully for the next Scream movie, which is Scream 7, next Scream 7, they was also trying to put like, they was like, if the old, you know, the old cast from Scream, like one of them, or even, what's that dude's name? The one that, the first one, not Billy Loomis, his partner, Stu Monker. I saw around that they think Stu Monker is not dead because you can't die from, you know, having a TV land on you. But that was an old TV, and TVs back in the day was very, very heavy. Excuse me. So that might be something in the next movie, but we'll have to see. I wonder if they're like working on it right now. Probably. But anyway, this might be a short video, but it's something, and I need to get out something. So, because I'm working on the true crime case for my next video, so I need to get out something for that, because I'm trying to go into depth and detail with the next true crime case, like back stories and all that stuff. So be patient with me on that, because I have to find a lot of stuff and write down stuff, so I won't be stuttering and stopping between takes. But anyway, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and please comment down below. I will see y'all in the next video.